Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna do a random backtesting session for you real quick. Let's go to NQ, put random. Alright, delete this stuff real quick. With this strategy too, you guys could pass your evals like super quick in a couple of days. So, switch the time real quick. Go to AM session. I only trade AM session really, but it works on all the sessions as well. Go to 6:30, open, 6:15 right there. Okay, so first thing I see is, well, we're bullish obviously, but we did inverse this daily gap and we're also in one. So keep that in mind. Let's go to the 4 hour. We're in the 4 hour as well. 1 hour. Looks like we're respecting this 1 hour. So we could target this as well. Okay, what time is this? All right, 6:30 just opened up. Just inverse this 4 hour, 1 hour. 6:30, we swept that out. Okay, yeah, we could take the short real quick here. I'm taking it off the change in the state of delivery. There. Target these lows. Low resistance liquidity right here as well. Good target. Nice. So yeah, I took this trade like I said because we inversed this daily. We're in a daily now. Just because we're bullish means nothing. Just react to price. So we're in the 4 hour. We're also in a 1. And let's see here. Well, I really took it too is because when 6:30 open, we sweeped out this what is this, 5-minute intermediate high. So I'll take some of this stuff off to show you guys. This is an intermediate high. We swept internal liquidity inside of it. I usually enter off IFVGs, but after I seen this, I was pretty confident we're going lower, at least to this lows. Let's mark this. Let's see what it goes to real quick before we go to the next trade. Alright, nice. We got out perfect. Alright. $6.15. Just swap this low. Mark up these highs. Most obvious highs and lows, pretty much what you want to mark up for your liquidity. I can't see the session liquidity in here. Back testing. We're in a 15-minute right now. What time is this? 6:25. That 15-minute just swept out this internal. So let's go to the 1-minute here. Do we got a 3-minute? Yes, we got a 3-minute right here. What about a 5-minute? No. So mark up this 3-minute here. Internal sweep. We're overall bullish. swept this as well. Are we in a daily or anything? We swept out this daily. Nice. Bar inversed it. Okay. Go back to the 3-minute. If we inverse this, we'll take a long. Okay, we swept it again. So now we gotta see the highest time frame in this leg now. About a 1-minute, yes. Okay, so we don't want to see this 1-minute get inversed now. It's all good. I'm still long here. Just waiting for my setup. What is this at? What time is this? 8? Alright, we swept out that. Nice. Okay, okay, cool. So I'll take this right here. Stops below, and we'll target a quick 1-to-1 trade here. Mech model. You could go break even right here as well and just run it all the way up if you think you're going up still. Nice. Now let's see what price does real quick. Nice. Go to next day. Okay, 6:15. Remember, start on daily. Okay, so just marking my previous day highs and lows real quick. Motherfucker. Alright. 4-hour. We just tapped this 4-hour and swept out this low. So nothing on the 4-hour. We got this accumulation right here, and we're trading up right now. Just swept out these. Let's see if we sweep this out. This is also in a intermediate high as well. Okay. What time is this? 6:25, so 6:30. Just took out this. Let me see. We want to see it tap here at least. Okay, nice. Double check that. Okay. Traded up at 6:30. Got this inverse right here. Did we inverse that? No. Okay, we're in this 15-minute. I was gonna use the 5 to go for a sell if we inverse it, but we're in a 15-minute, so we unfortunately have to wait for this 15-minute, see what it does. If it respects this, we're gonna go bullish after this 5-minute inverse. If it doesn't, we're gonna go lower. Okay. So it didn't, so that's telling us we want to go lower. target here. Yeah, these lows look good. I'd probably go, yeah, we'll go for this right here. Safer. TP here. Nice. See if I hit this one as well. Nice. Alright, go to the next day. Six. 6:30. Just swept out this high. Looks like we're going to this low right here. So let's see. Hopefully we get a 5-minute opened up first. Nope. Okay, let's mark out this low. See if we can still get an entry to it. That could have been an SMT. Who knows? Can't see the other pair. Probably was. Probably tapped into here on the other pair and shot down. Alright. Too late into the session. We'll go to the next day. $6.15. Members start on the daily. Okay. Could be going to this low. Just swept out this. 4-hour low. High. We're in this 4-hour or 1 hour. Okay, cool. So 6:30 opens up. We sweep out this low. Yeah, I don't want to take no buy, honestly, yet. So we're in this 5-minute. Changing the state of delivery right here. So we're in the 4-hour. What? Let me see. 4-hour. Came up. We never swept out these lows after we tapped this 4-hour, so I'm definitely bearish right now. And also we made this change in state of delivery. Nice. Also we inverse this. Definitely taking this trade. What is this for? A 1-to-1? Yeah, just run for a 1-to-1. Actually, we'll take these lows. They look better. You could take profit right here for a 1-to-1 and then let the rest run if you want. Nice. Then, like I said, we'll just do what I said real quick. Take profits. I'll just put it right here.